not do that. Did I really? Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoony Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day on our videos. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. Day number 5, December 5th. Oh my goodness, can you believe it's already day 5? What? Look at my little advent calendar. It's growing. We've got Robin, Kermit, Sir Michael Caine, and Fozzie Bear. Who will be today? I want Emily Cratchit. Please, Miss Piggy, where are you? Okay, anyway, before we get to that, I want to tell you about some things that are actually happening today. So also on the channel that's happening today, I have a Film Friday! I know so many of you love those videos. Yes, I have a Film Friday today about White Christmas. So my movie recommendation for today is White Christmas. Actually, my movie recommendation is watch that video about White Christmas, then go watch White Christmas. I share some really fun behind the scenes facts, some really fun things you may not know are in the movie, but they probably shouldn't have been, and a few of my favorite scenes. So go watch that video. I don't know what time it'll be out, but it'll be out this afternoon. So thank you so much for watching those videos. I know you love them. I wish I could make more. They take a lot more time than you think to put together. So hope you like it. Tomorrow, God willing, it's been really crazy this week. Hopefully there will be a gift or garbage. It's supposed to be Crochet Society. We'll see if there's even a video tomorrow. I mean, there'll be a 12 Days of Christmas video, but I don't know if there'll be a gift or garbage, but that's what I'm hoping for. And it needs to be Crochet Society. So everybody flash your fingers and toes. Teresa's gift for day number 5. I love the Grinchy paper. See, where's my boy? There he is. Maxie. Y'all, I have my eye on that Wooble set. I want Max. I want Max. And it's taking all of my strength not to get him. I don't know. If y'all help me make some money on this video, maybe I can get him. Because then I'll review him on the channel. Oh my goodness. It's a little felt burrito. No, clearly it has something inside it because felt burritos are not heavy. It's a candle. Soy wax candle. Handmade. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Kind of cinnamony. Little bit of vanilla, maybe? That's nice. Let's see. How to prevent fires. Good. It's so cute. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to go to Teresa's channel after this and make sure you see what I got her. Nope. It's a Marley brother. Which one? I think this is Robert. Is this one Robert Marley? I'm literally trying to think of the scene in my head. I think this is Robert. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen, whichever one he is. But look at the crazy detail. First of all, can we just talk about the shine on his trousers? I mean, woo! And jacket. Look at this. And then his little mustache and his little hair. The chains. The chains he forged in life. His little buckles on his shoes. The embroidery on his face is crazy impressive. Look at that. You know, say what you want to. Disney is very expensive. I get it. But at least when they give you stuff like this, it's kind of worth it. Because that's amazing that they went into that much detail. They even have his buttons. And his tongue. I mean, that's pretty great. So yes, day number 5 is one of the Marley brothers. I got an O-Fire package. Did anyone else take advantage of their great sale? It was really great. I got 2 hooks. This is another one of their Apple Crisp. I just really liked this color, so I got a different size. Here's my other one. See, as you can see, even though it's the same hook, it's not gonna look the same. Like this one has more orange in it. This one, the orange is like all at the bottom. See? Ridiculous, but that's how it works. Isn't that crazy? Oh. I did not do that. Did I really? Y'all. It's the same size. Do not shop in early mornings when you have not slept. It was supposed to be a 7. It's not a 7. It's okay. 6.5 might still work for my purposes, but yeah. So I did that. And y'all got to witness it. I'm not even going to edit that out. I'm just going to leave it in because you know what? That is part of Spoonie life. That is part of Spoonie life. Okay, I also got another Dahlia. This is their 3 years birthday hook. Look at this. So pretty. This is my first one. See, they're so different. And these actually are 2 different sizes. I just want for the record. So, yeah, they're so different. Stunning. Yay. So, yeah. Those were for me. Because gift idea for you. Kind of also goes along with recipe. So, here is a gift idea for you. If you live far away from your friends, you and your friends can exchange recipes. Buy a nice little holiday card, put the recipe inside, send it. Costs you the price of a stamp. And then once you switch, you should actually get on Marco Polo or FaceTime or whatever and show each other, hey, look, I made it, and try it. It's just an idea. If you're in person, do a cookie exchange. I've always wanted to be part of one of these, but I've never gotten to. So what you do is you make a cookie and you write out the recipe, and you have copies of that recipe, and you have a bunch of cookies. And then you go to someone's house, and you all have copies of the recipe and the cookies. So it has to be a recipe you're willing to share. And then you all get like a little container, and you can pick from each other's little bundles of cookies, and then you swap recipes, and yeah. So cookie exchange or recipe exchange. It's a fun little idea, very inexpensive, and super easy. My music recommendation today is Jing Jingling by the Andrews Sisters. You know, jing jingling, jing jingling, it's so fun. But I just learned a fun fact about it, and that's the reason why I chose it. Because not only is it fun to listen to, but now I can't get this out of my head. Apparently, Disney made a documentary eons ago, and this was the otter song. There was no words, but the music behind it went with the little otter segment. And they showed a clip, and I saw it. Now I can't see anything but little Christmas otters. So my little otters are wearing little hats and skiing. Or sledding. Otters and snow. That's not what they were doing in the documentary. And I think it was like summer or whatever, because the sun was out. But now that song is forever otters on skis. And you won't get it out of your head either. I had to grab a friend real quick. This is Mr. Purrs-a-Lot, and he was made for me by my friend Crystal at Chronically Crocheting, who is my shout out of the day. If you do not know Crystal at Chronically Crocheting, she's actually one of the reasons I'm even on YouTube. I stumbled across her channel one day and was like, well, if she can do it, I can do it. So, yeah, Crystal is a lovely, lovely lady. She is just so sweet and passionate, especially about amigurumi. She is a pattern designer. This is her design, and she made it for me. She is a pattern designer. She is an amigurumi enthusiast. She absolutely loves yarn. And she does a couple of other crafts too. But she is a spoonie like myself, and so she can't make videos all the time. But please go watch her old videos, because she'll make a new one soon. She will. It'll happen. She is not consistent on her channel, neither am I, because we just can't be. We're spoonies. This is what happens. Consistency is not our middle name. So please go support her on Etsy. I will link her Etsy shop down below, and I will link her channel down below. Please go follow her. You'll have a merry old time. You can see yarn hauls. You can see what she's up to. You can see she's even been milling her own flour. So yeah, all kinds of interesting things over there. So please, please go check out Crystal at Chronically Crocheting. Remember to check out my shorts. I've been doing a couple of advent calendars over there. So I've been unboxing ones either each day, if there's 25 or 24, and if there's only 12, then it's every other day to get you to Christmas Eve. So thank you so much for being here today. Remember to check out Teresa's channel at Critters Crochet down below and see what I got her and what she's gonna do on her channel. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.